Okay, it is 9:35 p.m. Dan just got off the phone with the friendly people at Nordstroms.
They're not friendly.
They're not friendly.
I'd like to... Yeah, all right.
Dan just bought... How expensive were they?
$150 jeans, and they don't even have the decency to take off the magnetic strip. Idiots.
This is a fucking nipple, man. This would set off a fucking nuclear bomb, man.
Now,
It's sensual to be sure, but I don't want it on my jeans.
herein lies the issue. We have reason to believe that if you take these things off, ink will be sprayed at you, spewed at you, get all over your clothes, all over your new jeans if you try to steal them. And Dan just got off the phone, Victory over here with the phone with the people at Nordstroms. What did they tell you?
They told me that they would have somebody drive out to my fucking house and take off the nipple, the mechanical nipple, what have you. And I said, that is a bunch of fucking horse shit. Because I live in DeKalb, goddammit. Why don't you take it off in the store? I don't understand some people, John.
So now what we're trying to do is we're trying to, well, since we have to wait 50 minutes for a tow truck, we're going to try to take it off right now for you guys.
I got first.
What do you got, Jay?
I got it. I'm getting it. It's coming.
It's looking good.
It's looking good. It's loosening up.
That
yeah.
nipple's
Little grease.
pretty sensual.
I got some leverage here with this fucking do-it-best fucking bullshit key. It's a tough one. No, they really got it on here. They really got it going.
Really did it this time.
There's got to be a fulcrum release lever somewhere.
Isn't that from Indiana Jones?
Well, yeah, but that's not all this fuck.
It's unrelated.
Of course that's from fucking Indiana Jones. You know? Learn some serious shit.
Man. What a goofy fucking night, ladies and gentlemen.
More updates on the bionic nipple as the night progresses.